Hi everyone, I hope you've all been good and well in these crazy times. I'm sure you're familiar with what this is. Not gonna lie, usually when it comes to wearing a mask and glasses, it can be a little bit uncomfortable and annoying because like you've got all this going on your face. But I found this little trick that actually works if you have glasses, and it can extend the longevity of comfortable mask wearing, which I think we all need these days. A lot of countries and states now require you to wear masks when you go out, but regardless if it's legal or not, I think it's something that we as citizens of the world, as just people going about our days, should be doing to protect ourselves and the people around us and just stop the spread of this virus. Now, I'm not gonna lie, wearing a mask, especially if you wear glasses as well, usually is not the most comfortable thing. It can be annoying, it fogs up, the warm air gets trapped near your face and it's just not very comfortable. But I found a way where having glasses actually helps with the comfort of wearing masks. So keep watching to find out. So something that helps not only with the comfort, but also with keeping my glasses from sliding is, what you do is you take this and you loop it over the glasses and do the same on the other side. Just loop it up on the glasses. And look, it doesn't slide down. How good is that? Your glasses don't slide down, there's no pain in the back of your ears. Do you see that? The pressure point of where this hooks is on top of your glasses so it doesn't tug at the back of your ears. And there you go. Doesn't budge. Shake your head. Of course, this isn't going to be comfortable indefinitely, but it definitely increases the wear time of the mask. Anyway, if you enjoyed this little tip or found it useful in any way, drop me a like and a subscribe. I would really appreciate it. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you next time.